Good evening, Nancy. I hope you had a wonderful day. It's currently Thursday. It's very late right now. So I'm gonna go to sleep after that. Finally, I can go to sleep. So what kind of businesses will close? Well, the big businesses won't close. The small businesses will probably close. I mean, if they have a lot of savings, they can stay alive. If they don't, that can be hard. Do you think Starbucks will close some coffee shops? Probably. To be impacted, to be affected. Smaller businesses like hairdressers, nah, maybe not. But small businesses like, maybe, places where they sell, I don't know, honey or candies or maybe some bakeries as well. Okay. This article will show you the impact of the COVID-19 on US brands and retailers. Many big companies won't fail because they are too big to fail. Forbes, that's this website. It's like an economic website, so you can get a lot of insight on, well, they don't always tell the truth, but So, the situation post-COVID-19, do you think people will work more from home, stay home, more at home because they are getting used to? That can be possible, but still, it's too early to say. Oh, I'm gonna put it here. All these companies selling a lot of stuff online, they're gonna need more and more people. So probably more IT people, more secretary, more people working and selling stuff. I have a student, she lives in the Bay Area, and she works for this company. They sell teas or tea bags, and they've been going very strong since the beginning of the virus. So uh, you know this is a small business, but they're doing very well because they don't have a rent to pay. We need people to prepare the orders. We need people to take care of the orders online. Some robots could potentially do it, but people don't necessarily have the financial means to invest in this. So the e-commerce is blooming. That means all the websites you see online where you can buy stuff, products, it's called an e-commerce. For instance, Amazon is an e-commerce. Okay. It's a big one, but you can find smaller one. So online business. To buy in bulk, that means to buy in large quantity. It's cheaper. A surge is like an increase, A surge in IT jobs, it's like an increase of IT jobs. It's getting safe, to work in this area. It's not really my cup of tea, but it's safe, and all the service jobs as well are safe. Business Insider, you're gonna have a list of different businesses who had to lay off a lot of people, to cut jobs. Uber is cutting jobs, Airbnb as well, real estate agents are losing their jobs. Virgin Megastore used to be a store where they were selling CDs, DVDs, a long time ago. To lay off, to furlough is like you give an unpaid leave like Disneyland, Disney World. So I don't know if it's going to work out. You were telling me about your plane ticket. It's valid up to December 10th. So let's see what's going to happen here. We reviewed All Clear 2. Okay, so we reviewed some expressions. I need to put my knowledge in practice, to put in practice, okay, to practice what you learned, okay, to use it, but in a concrete situation. But practice can be also practice. The doctor opened his practice recently, an office, the doctor's office. Also, there is a practice in law, the best law practice in town, or band practice. Okay. To be better off, like you're better off leaving early tomorrow, otherwise you're going to be stuck in the traffic. At least can be like, I don't know, I have a lot of work, but at least I have work. Okay, there's a positive aspect to it. And here You know, if you want to send me your essay, at least send me 5 pages. That's a minimum. So we can use this expression in 2 different ways. We'll continue with Oncle. We'll finish with a chapter if we can. I wish you a wonderful night, and I'll see you tomorrow at 9. Again, a heavy day. I start at 7, 7:30, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10:15 to 10:45, after 12:30 until 1:30, and after 3, and I can finally relax, and I will relax. I'm not going to touch a broom or nothing, because I really, really need to rest. You have a wonderful night, and I'll see you tomorrow morning, Nancy. Take care.